Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Easy AI. Today we will write a simple Java program to find which number is bigger using if-else logic. Let's jump right in and see how it works. So here I'm using my Visual Studio as my code editor to write the code. So first let me just create a Java file where we'll write the program. So let me just give the name as largest.java. .java specifies that this file is a Java language. Okay, so editor automatically creates a class largest, but we'll go step by step. First let me just import library file. So the library file is import java.util.scanner. Let me just create the class as well. So class largest. Remember, file name and class name should be same, largest, and here also largest. Okay, so next let me just create a main class where we'll write the or perform operations or execute some statements. So public static void main and string args. Okay, so this is how you create a main class. Okay, so in main class, first let me just create a object for the scanner. So this is how you create an object for the scanner sc. You can give anything like sc or scan or anything like. Okay, so after that we'll use a new keyword and again scanner. So here let me just type as system.in. so the scanner is included in our program. So to check which number is larger or bigger, we need two numbers. So we'll declare two numbers or two variables which we will perform operations on. So int a is equal to sc, which is the scanner, and next int which specifies that it is an integer. Okay, so after that we need another one. So b is equal to sc dot next int. So our two variables are declared. So before that let me just type something, that system.out.println, like enter two numbers. Okay, so here it's just a print line. Okay, so after that we will perform or we'll check the condition which number is greater. So let me just use this if statement, and a is greater than b. So if a is greater than b, we will print as a is the largest. So another one is left, which is else. So we will use the else condition, which is b is largest. So after this let me just close the scanner. It is sc.close this. So this is how you close the scanner. Okay, so our program is done. So let me just show you the output. So let me just enter two numbers, which is for a let me just give as 100 and for b let me just give as 200. So we know here 200, which is b number, which is the largest. So we have to get that b is the largest. So let us see the output. So yeah, we have got b as the largest. Let me just show you for a as well. So here let me just give as 200 and let me just give here 10. So a is 200 and b is 10. So here a is the largest. So let us see the output. So yeah, we have got a is the largest. So And that's how you find the largest of two numbers using Java. If you don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code Easy AI for more easy coding lessons. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video,